Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Four Sixes and Wicket, and this is your host Harsh. Along with me is Movik, and we are here to discuss about an interesting match which is between Rajasthan and Delhi. Rajasthan and Delhi का वैसे distance तो काफी कम है, but अभी आके वो शारजा में लड़ाई करने वाले हैं. So let's see कि who comes up. So Movik, आपका क्या कहना है ये मैच के बारे में? बिकॉज एक टीम तो ऐसा परफॉर्म कर रही है कि वो आईपीएल जीतने ही वाले हैं ऐसे लग रहा है, एंड दूसरी टीम स्टार्ट उनका था बट अभी जाके कहीं ना कहीं परफॉर्मेंस खराब हो गई.
Yes, I totally agree with what you said, Harsh. Delhi Capitals सबकी फेवरेट प्री टूर्नामेंट फेवरेट्स रही है एंड जिस हिसाब से उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया है इस पूरे आईपीएल में अभी तक आई थिंक दे हैव यू नो stayed with the tag of tournament favorites. So I think they are going to be one of the formidable teams to beat, and competition will be tough to defeat such a side because उनका side भी बहुत ही balanced है. On the other hand, we have Rajasthan Royals who started well, won 2-2, and now have lost 3 in a row. Many questions to bother for Steve Smith, and one of the biggest one is his own batting form. The way he started, and right now he is performing. And it's not that he got out on deliveries which were unplayable or so, but he played out because of his own fault, playing wrong shots, playing very rash shots, to be honest. So that is something which Steve Smith himself as a batsman would need to consider. And apart from that, as a captain, many tough calls he'll need to make. So yes, Delhi Capitals are looking favorite in this game, but you never know. Rajasthan Royals are known to upset big oppositions.
यस, दिस गेम इज ऑल्सो इन शारजा. सो शारजा में 2 मैच जीत के आ रहे राजस्थान, उनका कॉन्फिडेंस भी अप रहेगा. बट दिल्ली ऑन द अदर हैंड विल बी सो एक्साइटेड बिकॉज उनको शारजा में मैच मिल रहा है, एंड देयर बैटिंग इज देयर स्ट्रेंथ. बॉलिंग तो है ही उनका स्ट्रेंथ, बट बैटिंग भी ये साल काफी अच्छा करते जा रहा है. तो प्लेयर्स भी काफी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड होंगे दिल्ली के कि वहां पे भी हम आके बैटिंग करें, अपना सिक्सेस ज्यादा लगते हैं तो सिक्सेस ही मारे. सो एंड श्रेयस अय्यर का फॉर्म काफी खतरनाक चल रहा है, वो मूड में दिख रहे हैं खतरनाक आईपीएल में ज्यादा रन बनाने के. एंड along with Prithvi Shaw and Marcus Stoinis, as we all.
Captain leading from front, right?
Yes, captain leading from front, and that is not happening from Rajasthan side. क्या आपको कहीं ना कहीं ये लगता है कि देखो ये बोलना भी ठीक नहीं है, बट स्टिल दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन कि स्टीव स्मिथ को कैप्टन रखना एंड वो खुद को ड्रॉप नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज वो कैप्टन है. एंड अभी बेन स्टोक्स को आना है, टॉम करन की जगह ही आएंगे वो. दैट इज श्योर शॉट. एंड वो खुद को तो ड्रॉप करेंगे नहीं. एंड टॉम करन का परफॉर्मेंस ऑन द अदर हैंड वाज प्रीटी गुड कंपेयरिंग टू स्टीव स्मिथ, बिकॉज उन्होंने बॉलिंग भी किया एंड बैटिंग में भी उन्होंने एक 50 मारा है. एंड लोअर डाउन द ऑर्डर वो कभी कभी हिटिंग कर भी देते हैं. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
Harsh, this would be a very tough uh, discussion which you're trying to make over here because see, people like you, me, everyone tries to evaluate captains based on their batting, or if they are bowlers, the bowling. But we tend to leave out things like, as a captain, what decision did they make? If we start evaluating that, I don't see Steve Smith has made any, difficult calls yet, of course. But as per the bowling changes which he makes while playing on the field, I don't see anywhere his captaincy lacking in that department. He has rotated his batsmen really well as per the need. He's changed up the bowlers very well. Some decisions maybe not in his favor, but overall his captaincy level, I can only point out that 11 which he has chosen in the team, which have been a point of botherance for me. But other than that, on-field captaincy, utilizing the resources which you have sought, backing the players you want to, I think in those department I don't see anything wrong in Steve Smith. Of course, his form may not be on his consideration, but I don't see comparing him to Tom Curran. He may have batted better than Steve Smith, but his main role was to bowl those 4 overs and pick up wickets, which I think he lacked. And his economy rates are around 11, 11 and a half. Considering the games at Sharjah, I leave out those games, even then his economy rates are about 10, 11. So that is something which is a botherance. Of course, when Stokes will come, I don't see him bowling entire 4 overs from the first game itself. But if Stokes will be coming, there will be another change in terms of adding another bowler. So that is something which RR will have to take call on because I think one major setback which RR in the previous game against Mumbai had, they decided to strengthen their bowlers because they did not pick up wickets against RCB. But what they forgot was they also did not bat well there. So they needed someone to bat in the lower middle order. So they could have added an extra batter, and they had options of alternate bowlers in terms of Rahul Tewati and Mahipal Ramal. But they decided to pick up another bowler, which hampered them really very well.
Yes, Movik, you are absolutely right. सो ठीक है, वो स्टीव स्मिथ का फॉर्म में आना आरआर के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट संजू सैमसन, शॉर्ट बॉल के आगे उनको ऐसा देख के लग रहा है कि उनको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, एंड बाकी टीम्स वो पिक करने ही वाले हैं शॉर्ट बॉल का प्रॉब्लम उनका। सो क्या लगता है संजू सैमसन को क्या चेंज करना चाहिए अपने गेम में, या जो भी है उनका बैटिंग स्टाइल?
I think this will be a very big word to use. I'm not saying that Sanju Samson has become selfish, but he has decided to play out game the way he wants. Like he's not respecting the conditions. He's not considering what ground he's playing in. What is the expected out of him? He's playing cricket the way he wants. Sometimes it may work. Sometimes it may not. The first two games he played, they were at Sharjah. He was able to score runs. After that, we moved to Abu Dhabi, Dubai. There he has struggled to get the timing right. Because if you have to respect the conditions first for any batsman for that matter. Even Steve Smith, when he moved out from to Abu Dhabi and Dubai conditions, he has tried becoming more aggressive, which is not the Steve Smith we know, right? We know him to use his timing, play the shots in the gaps, get those runs. His not role is to go out there and be a Gale or Andre Russell. The way he is playing, he's like he wants to hit every ball out of the park. So that is just not Samson, but also Steve Smith needs to consider this. And talking about short ball, I think he pulls really very well. It's just that the conditions have requested him to play a different kind of shot, and he is still has a feeling of hangover of Sharjah. But probably now they are moving back to Sharjah, so that might help him now.
Yes, and ये तो बात हो गई आरआर की। Talking about Delhi, Shikhar Dhawan getting start, but not converting it to a big score. Is that a problem for them? Because आपको start मिलते जा रहा है, and ये एक ऐसा player है जिसको आपको end तक कंटिन्यू करना ही पड़ेगा, पूरा 20 ओवर आपको गेम खेलना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज बाकी प्लेयर्स आप देख रहे हो, पृथ्वी शॉ, श्रेयस अय्यर, हिटमायर और स्टॉइनिस, दे आर प्लेइंग द नेचुरल गेम, वो आके हिटिंग ही कर रहे हैं। सो शिखर धवन को अपना गेम थोड़ा लंबा ले जाना चाहिए, आपको लगता है?
I don't see, like, I agree with you that he's getting starts, but not a big score. Even in the previous game, he got 30 odd runs, I guess 30, 32 runs. And his strike rate has been around about 100, 120 mark. So I don't see anything wrong in that, to be honest, because if you have a batting lineup like what Delhi has, you have Prithvi Shaw is going to be an aggressor. At one down, you have your captain who's timing the ball pretty well right now, hitting the ball out of the park, specifically to the spinners. Then you have Rishabh Pant. So I don't see Shikhar Dhawan making any change to his game, because he's a good option. The only consideration they might have is that are we sure that his stats are helping the team? If his stats would have been making life miserable for Delhi, like after his wicket, there were 2-3 wickets falling in a cluster, then there might have been a question to have a better opening shot. But I don't see anything wrong in Shikhar Dhawan getting those starts. But that is laying a platform for players like Shreyas Iyer, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, Shimron Hetmeyer. Oh God, they have a very big batting lineup. So this is not, I think, any big botherance for Delhi Capitals. Just about time Shikhar Dhawan will score that big half century or so.
Yes, we are waiting for a Gabbers now. Let's move to our next section. What changes would you like to see in Rajasthan Royals and Delhi? So first, talk about Rajasthan.
So Rajasthan Royals, I think even for this game, I doubt if Ben Stokes would be completing that 1 week, because there might be a day or two still left for that 1 week quarantine period to get over. So if not that, if that is over, then I think he'll be coming in for Tom Curran, obviously. And one change I would like to have is probably dropping someone from the bowling like Ankit Rajput or so and getting in a proper batsman like you can go ahead with an Uttapa or Anuj Rawat or a Shashank Singh, either of the three, because they need someone to bat well in that lower middle order, and or even a Manan Vora can do that work. So probably they can drop Ankit Rajput and get in another proper batsman. And if Ben Stokes is available, then he'll be the change for the Tom Curran.
Yes, and talking about Delhi.
Delhi Capitals, I don't see they making much changes because I think they've got a very, a winning combination right. Things are going in their favor. Whatever changes they have made, the bowling changes, to be honest, which Shreyas Iyer has made, has always worked for him. So, like batting, I don't see any changes. Bowling, they might want to experiment a bit. Like if Ishant Sharma is fit, they might bring him back for Harshal Patel just to try out new options. And since it's Sharjah, so Ishant Sharma's bowling would be more lethal in this environment compared to Harshal Patel. Rest all I don't see. Like Ashwin is going to stay there. Akshar Patel would be there. So the 11 would have only one change, that Harshal Patel instead of Harshal Patel would be dropped in, and Ishant Sharma might come in if he is available. Rest all I think that the team is settled. No more changes to be expected from them.
Okay. So last segment of the video, which one player would you pick from either both the teams? First, Rajasthan.
Uh, Considering it's at Sharjah and Samson had a very good outing previously in the previous 2 hour games here. So I think Sanju Samson again would be wanting to get that rhythm back over here.
And from Delhi?
From Delhi, I think it would be Rishabh Pant.
Okay, there are too
Battle
many
of the keepers.
choices. Yes,
Exactly.
difficult to pick from Delhi. So yes, this
Yeah,
was
that's
a
the reason I would like to go for the battle of the keepers for the future. Either Rishabh Pant or Samson. They are both actually fighting for the spot in Indian team.
yes, but KL Rahul is still. Yes, so guys, this was our video. Do like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.